Welcome to 420RX Cannabis Cooking and Confectionaries.
Hi y'all. Today Ashley's going to demonstrate do-it-yourself THC or CBD sublingual tincture drops using 60 milliliters of fractionated MCT oil. We're going to warm it in our candy maker. A double boiler would also work. Here we add our CBD or THC concentrate oil and mix gently. Once you have everything incorporated, we're going to pour it into our bottle. You're going to want to use a colored bottle glass with a dropper. Also, protect your hand as the bottle will get warm as you transfer your warm liquid into it. Allow to cool. Once cool, replace your top. 15 milligrams per milliliter of THC or CBD tincture. Enjoy!
Be sure to subscribe to this channel for updates and notifications whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.